This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Subaru Forester key fob battery. First, identify your key fob model, as battery types can vary. Most newer Forester models use a CR2032 coin cell battery. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to begin this simple process. Now, let's open the key fob. On the back, you'll find a small silver tab or button. Press this to release and slide out the metal emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out from its retaining clips. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign or text, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Stand near your Subaru and test all the key fob functions, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.